Hey guys, what's going on everybody? Now y'all have been asking me in multiple videos, girl, how do you do this all the time? Why don't you get the family to be helping you? Because it's a lot to get done. But I'm going to be completely honest and vulnerable. I have so much going on in my life that my stress level stays on 10. But this actually helps me to relax, and believe it or not, I do this once a week. I clean every single day, but a full deep clean to where I take everything out of cabinets, wipe everything down, it's done weekly. And no matter how many times the family asks me, I say no. Now, it's times that they just jump in, or I will ask them for help if I have other things going on. But for the most part, turning on my gospel music, it helps me to relax. It helps me to unwind and get a lot of stuff that I got going on just cleared off my mind, just between me and God. I know a lot of you guys understand, so if y'all are interested in seeing how I get it done, continue to watch. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
My life wasn't perfect, yeah, I know that now. When it came crashing down, all I know is that I need you around. When it comes crashing down, all I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, you can give me everything I want. Everything I want. You are all I need now. It's crazy, but it's true. You're all I need. You make my heart and spirit.
I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling. Remember everything you said. Had to go on dreaming, dreaming. 'Cause baby, you are everywhere. I wish that you were here, 'cause I don't want nobody else. I'm not afraid to be alone, new beginnings. I'm not afraid to overcome every feeling that I have. So take me in your arms. Yeah, 'cause nothing can really hurt us unless we let it grow. Forget about the past. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you know it's true. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you know it's true. I know that feeling. We say goodbye until it hurts. I know that feeling. Stormy skies and fireworks. Yeah. But I'm not afraid to be alone, new beginnings. I'm not afraid to overcome every feeling that I have. So take me in your arms. Ooh, yeah, yeah. 'Cause nothing can really hurt us unless we let it grow. see what we're about? I see you at my door, wanting in, come back for more. But I don't want this anymore. Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got issues, yeah, don't you take them out of me. Honey, I think we lost the touch. Guess I'm not into you that much. So goodbye, my love. Already found someone that I'm thinking of, and I lose myself again to someone who's got the touch. Yeah, someone who's got the touch. Let me go, let me out. But time is precious to me, so you just have to do without. Here's something you can think about. You play me good, there's no doubt, but you're the one that's missing out. Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got issues, yeah, don't you take them out of me. Honey, I think we lost the touch. Guess I'm not into you that much. Ooh. So goodbye, my love. Already found someone that I'm thinking of, and I lose myself again to someone who's got the touch. Someone who's got the issues. Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got issues, don't you take them out of me. Honey, I think we lost the touch. Guess I'm not into you that much.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego. Your ego. Your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
I am tired. I am tired. So I am about to go take me a shower. Like I said, those I got a call. Excuse me, y'all. I gotta call Lowe's. Oh, I gotta get my ring. It's in the kitchen. I took it off when I was washing dishes. But I'm about to call Lowe's. And then I know, like I said, the pest people, I forgot the name of it. It's not, because we used to go through Ace. I think it was Ace. We used to go through Terminex. They went up on their prices. Then we started going through Ace. And this is a company that's in Bay St. Louis. And they have the best reasonable rates. And they come out more often. So they'll be here at 12. And hopefully Lowe's can tell me a time they're going to come. But like I said, the guy did do the stove. So everything else is fixed. Everything is done. Thank the Lord. The only two things we're going to do next, other than get the kitchen tile redone, we're going to get the carpet pulled up in here. We still have to get the front steps extended and then the back steps. And then we're going to get a new refrigerator and a new dishwasher. And then we will be done. Thank you, Lord. Hopefully we'll have everything done by August, no later than Labor Day, by the end of summer. That's what we're aiming for. But you know, everything just takes time, especially when you want to do it right. And you're doing everything just on a budget, because we definitely not going to get in any kind of debt. I know we can go get like a Lowe's credit card, but then you do that. And I know, you know, it will help with everything with your credit. I get all that. But we're the type of people, we want to pay everything and pay it off. We don't want to have a bill. And I know everything goes to credit system. It makes your credit better. I get all that. Trust me, I do. But we just like to pay everything off if we can, instead of like car notes and stuff like that. We don't want to have bills and every month you got to pay on this and you got to pay on your Lowe's credit card and you got to pay on this. It's not worth it for us. Like I said, we just rather own everything outright and not have to worry about it. So we just doing what we got to do, a little bit at a time. And property taxes is due, so we got to go pay the property taxes. And it's a lot, y'all. But having a house, maintaining a house, keeping up your house, it's a lot. But you got to do what you got to do. So I will see you guys later. Thank y'all so much for watching. For everybody who stayed to the end of the video, y'all be asking for these kind of motivation videos, and I want to give them to y'all. I'm always cleaning, but I'm not always recording, because if I record every day that I clean, I'll be doing a cleaning video every day, because I literally clean up every day. I'm cleaning something, doing something, organizing, reorganizing, something every day. But I'll see you guys later. Y'all be blessed. Stay safe. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are not. And I will see you guys later. Bye, y'all.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window.